Hey, what's up everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown, and I'm bringing you another video on the Sony XAV-AX1000, which is their entry-level CarPlay head unit. We've installed it today in this 2006 Toyota Sienna. Now, this client came in. They had an older factory-fit Toyota radio that they had installed when they bought this vehicle new. This kit and the trim and everything came with the vehicle. They didn't want to replace it, so that's why you may notice there's a bit of a gap around here. This is the best that we could do in this particular instance because the customer didn't want to buy a new kit. But it's not too bad. It fits. It works. This particular radio is, as mentioned, the entry-level radio from Sony. It has Bluetooth, AM/FM. It has Apple CarPlay and a front mount USB and front mount auxiliary, as well as a pretty cool volume dial on the outside there. We have integrated the steering wheel controls using an iData-Link ADS MSW steering wheel control interface. So if I hit the volume up on the steering wheel, let's see, you'll see I'm pushing the button and it turns the volume up and down. You can simply touch the screen here to change your presets or to manually tune. I'm currently filming this video on an Android phone, so I don't have an iPhone with me to show you CarPlay, but if you did plug a lightning cable in here to your iPhone, you would launch CarPlay on the front screen. We also integrated their factory backup camera that they had in this vehicle, so there's the backup camera. Now, the Sony also provides guidelines. You can see we have those off just so you don't have double. Those guidelines you see are provided by the camera that they brought. Yeah, you know what? We do a lot of these CarPlay radios. This radio is a very, very low price. If you are interested in learning what the price is, feel free to email us, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca, or go to our website, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, or feel free to call us, 1-866-824-4118. We'd love to assist you. I'll just go through actually a couple more things. It's a home button, so you can see you can go through all the different features. And you've got your clock on the front face as well. Again, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. We are based in Markham, Ontario, Canada, so if you are in the Greater Toronto area and you need some work done to your vehicle, you want to add CarPlay to your Sienna or any vehicle for that matter, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks. Bye.